In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open map in Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly where the map tools live and how to bring up the pane that controls your mapping and data connections so you can start working with GIS data alongside your engineering drawings. Start by opening your Civil 3D drawing. This can be a new file or an existing project. What matters is that you're in the Civil 3D environment with a drawing open so the interface is active. Give the model space a moment to load completely so all the ribbon tabs and panels populate. Next, switch to the Planning and Analysis workspace, which is where the Map 3D tools are organized. Look for the workspace switcher in your Civil 3D interface. Often it appears as a gear icon or a drop-down labeled with your current workspace near the status bar or on the quick access toolbar. From that menu, choose Planning and Analysis. If your installation labels the tools as Map 3D, selecting that option works as well. This change doesn't alter your drawing, it simply rearranges the ribbon to reveal mapping features that are hidden in the standard Civil 3D workspace. With the correct workspace active, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Locate the Map Explorer panel. In that panel, click the button labeled Map Task Pane. This toggle controls the visibility of the main mapping palette. If the panel is collapsed, expand it to see the button. When you click it, the map task pane opens, usually docked on the right side of your screen. You can dock, float, or pin it to suit your layout, and it will remember its position the next time you use it. Inside the map task pane, you'll see key sections that drive your mapping workflow. Data Connect is where you connect your drawing to external spatial data, such as files and databases, without exploding them into raw KD geometry. Map Explorer provides a structured view of attached data sources, queries, and layers, helping you manage what's displayed and how it's organized. Map Import Export offers tools to bring in GIS data as native objects or export your work to common spatial formats, which is helpful when sharing with GIS teams. If the pane doesn't appear right away, check that it's not hidden behind other palettes or minimized along the edge of your screen. Clicking the Map Task pane button again will re-toggle it. From here, you're ready to connect to data, manage layers, and integrate mapping into your design workflow all from one place.